cucumber. I soften in the fridge. I'm a banana. I blacken in the fridge. I'm an onion without rotten meat in the fridge. I am? In the fridge, I dry out and can't be stored. I'm a tomato. The texture worsens in the fridge. Can't be stored.
I'm an avocado, ripen too fast in the fridge.
Be stored. I'm a pumpkin. I rot fast in the fridge. Can't be stored. I'm a potato. Sugar increases in the fridge. Can't be stored.
I'm an eggplant. I wrinkle in the fridge. Can't
be stored. I'm a mango. The aroma fades